experimental fashion which I wanted to order in the first place. And hi guys, my name is Ashwarya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a Shein haul. This is not something which I've ordered now, obviously, because of the situation, and neither would I suggest you to order anything, because at this point please don't bother to order. And if you really like anything, you can just add to your cart. Also, nothing is sponsored. I spent my own money. I bought all this in Feb because I wanted to see how Shein actually is, because I've seen a lot of people wearing it, but I have some mixed reviews about it, so I just wanted to try it for myself. And one thing I definitely kept in mind was that I'm gonna check on the quality and I'm not gonna compromise on anything. Also, with the return, there is some problem when you have to return, so the return fee is actually paid by the buyer, so that is something which you need to keep in mind while buying from Shein. So I would suggest you to actually read the reviews. The sizes can vary according to that. Read the reviews, also have a look at a lot of photos, and then go and buy something. Just don't think that somebody has recommended, or maybe watch some videos and then buy it, because in the videos you're definitely going to get to see the quality. Just don't go on what the person is saying. Actually, just check for the quality yourself. And I would suggest you to go for a product which has quite a good number of reviews. For example, whatever I bought here had a good number of reviews, and that's the only reason why I bought it. So, and everything costed me 1920 rupees. Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's get started. Let's start with the first thing which I ordered, which is this. And this is a donut keychain. Also, I got it for 2 rupees. It was like an offer wherein you pay full amount for one item and then you get the second item for 99% off. The item which is expensive, you'll have to pay for that, and the item which is cheaper comparatively is going to be reduced to 99% off, and you're just going to pay 1%. So this was for, I think, 180 or 150, I don't really remember. So it costed me 3 rupees, but I bought something else which I'm going to show you now. And this serves as multi-purpose. One, it has got this mirror, and it's a compact size. It's slightly smaller than the Maybelline compact, if you have that, because I feel many of you would have that. And on the other side, this, what is this, hairbrush. So it's good for if you want to touch it up, if you're in party and you don't really want to carry a comb. So I personally like it for on the go sort of situations, especially if it's a keychain, so it's going to be very easy for you to grab it, especially if it's just outside, so it can work both as a mirror and this hairbrush. Quality is fine, it's sturdy, and you just open it like this, you just push it and it gets open. So I really like it. I definitely have this in my bag, but I took it out because I wanted to shoot this video, and I hope you have seen what's in my bag video of mine. If you haven't already, it's over there, you can watch it. And I didn't have it back then because I have kept it out because I use it on a regular basis, and there's no point I'm gonna reach for my bag these days. So yeah, I have taken this out. Second clothing item which I ordered is this cami sort of a top, and it has got very soft material. It's really good. It is sort of see-through, but I was planning on layering it and wearing it underneath a jacket probably, or maybe on the beach, because I was planning on a vacation, which is not gonna happen any which way. So yeah, but the quality is very nice. It's made up of very good stuff, and it costed me around 360 rupees. So it's slightly on the expensive side, but it is not the regular quality which you get in any spaghetti sort of a top. It is definitely a stretchy and extremely soft material, so there's that. So I do like it. The quality is really good. Also, you will notice a little bit of threading which is not really perfect in this, so make sure you are keeping that in mind. Next, I ordered this puffy sleeve sort of a top. It's not very see-through, but I would say it's sort of translucent, so you would have to wear something underneath it. And this looks very pretty once on, so just make sure that you're going one size up, because one, you don't want it to fit too much, and two, it sort of runs small on the size. I have ordered, I think, medium, and it was fitting me properly. So I would suggest you to go one size up. and it looked really pretty on. If you haven't seen any of my birthday vlogs, I wore it that day only, so it's over there and you can watch it and have a look at how it looks. It looks really pretty once it's on, and it costed me around 550-600. I don't exactly remember. Whatever the current prices keep on changing on Shein, so even if I tell you, it varies according to the dollar rate. Now I've saved the best for the last, because this is the top which I was eyeing on, and I was thinking that maybe I would be able to wear it, or I basically bought it for my vacation, and it looks very pretty once it's on, and it's sort of short, and they've also got this in other styles as well, the same print. So I would suggest you to go for that, because I feel this portion is very small and everything else, it just runs down like these stripes and you have to wrap them around, and it's very long. It's longer than me. I'm 165 centimeters long, so this is definitely longer than me. So this is at least 100, the length of this is at least 170 sort of, because this is longer than me, and it looks very pretty once it's on. Talking about the material is not see-through, I would say, but if they're sort of light, so you have to be a little bit careful, and this is not something which you're going to be able to wear on your own. You would definitely need somebody's help in order to just wear it, but once it's on, it's look very pretty, and I'm not regretting buying it because it's extremely pretty. Also, something which I would suggest, that if you want to go for this sort of a top, I would suggest you to go for another top. There's one more in this print, and I think it's easier to wrap because it has got a wider strap sort of thing, and I feel it's a bit complicated and I haven't worn this out yet. Definitely this is not something which you are going to be able to wear on an everyday sort of a basis, because it's sort of tough, complicated, sort of uncomfortable, I would like to say. So the sleeves are very good. It looks very good once it's on. It's sort of a retro theme vibe, and I really like it. I was thinking of buying something experimental because everything in my wardrobe is very conventional or office-like, so I wanted to change it a little bit. So that's why I thought of ordering this. If you would like to order, just don't, because I don't think they're shipping any which way, so don't. And if you want to buy, just wait. When the situation gets better, we can always buy then. So till that time, just keep on waiting, and if you really like, you can probably put this in your cart. And I got this in February. However, this is experimental fashion which I wanted to order in the first place, and honestly I liked everything. But if you are gonna buy it for the first time, just like me, I would suggest you to go through the reviews, the pictures. If there are no pictures, then it's gonna be tough for you to buy, honestly. And I wanted to buy a lot, but I didn't because there were no pictures and there were no reviews, so it seemed sort of sketchy. I was looking for white trousers, but then I thought that I'm gonna buy it from conventional, maybe stores or maybe Myntra, let's see. But I had doubts if it's gonna be actually see-through, so that's why I didn't buy white trousers to go with this top. And yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you want to watch more of me, you can watch it right over here. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, you can click on my face over there and you would be subscribed to my channel. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Consider subscribing. Toodles!